Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff. We have a
Welcome
liftoff.
back to the 10X Gain Show. Let's get right into another one. Today is Wednesday, June 4th. XRP is at $2.21. And let's dive right into the charts, see what's going on. Guys, taking a look, this is the weekly time frame. You can see XRP is at the verge of a massive breakout on the weekly as we are in the apex of this pattern here. You can see where we have this support, resistance, support, resistance, support, and we're right around the verge of breaking out from this massive pattern. If we go to the daily here and zoom in, we did have a red day today. The past couple of days have been green. We did pump all the way up to 227 and came right back down to 220 here. Currently sitting at around 221. You can see this, what was support. We came down and we did actually close the daily above it. We are holding the support right now on the daily for this short-term support line here. We could come all the way back down to 218 to hold the support. That would still be valid, and then continue on even higher. I would like to see us close a daily candle above 230 though, this level right here. And then eventually we want to break out of this pattern. So we want to see a daily candle above 235, roughly 240 would be the nice golden area to see a daily candle close above. But right now we are just ranging in this pattern. Nothing is bearish. If anything, this is a massive 6-month plus consolidation pattern going sideways. A bullish pattern after having a massive run just like this. I mean, you guys can see it. Look at these daily candles. Every day we saw crazy gains. I mean, every day. This 21%. Let's see. Then the very next day, another 15%. And then the very next day after that, 40%. Couple days of consolidation. Boom, boom. Continued on. Boom, boom, boom. Guys, this is what we're looking at to happen any day now. As you can see, we are in the apex of this ascending triangle here. So another massive move, another skyrocket move up is bound to happen. We do want to see a couple confirmations. We want to see a breakout from this range here, the 235, 240 range, daily close above. But real quick, what we are looking for in the immediate short term, looking at the 4-hour, we need XRP to hold above 218, around 218 on the daily as well. So that 218 level on the 4-hour, daily, hourly, we do want to see XRP hold the 218 level. If we break below, we really want to see it hold this level. We have confluence with this this support line here and our red support line here at 215. So 215 really needs to hold. Otherwise, we could be breaking down further to the $2 range. So that's the downside potential. Looking at the upside potential for the immediate short term, our resistance up ahead is the 230 range, roughly 228 to 230. And if we can close a 4-hour candle above those ranges, you can see 228 right here, we got rejected down. But if we can close a 4-hour candle above this range at 228 and 230, we will be headed right back up to the top of this trend line here, which is roughly 237, 238. And then from there, we're looking at 244. So the next target is 228 and 230. So that's it, guys. 215 on the downside target. We got to hold 215. The upside target, we need to get above 228, $2.30. We are just ranging right now between that 215, 230 range. And until then, until we see anything happen there, with a daily candle close above 230 or a daily candle close below 215, I will keep you updated and let you know where we're heading and what is going on for the XRP price. But like I said, We have been in massive consolidation for quite some time now, and we are getting started. I mean, look at how many bounces off the golden pocket here. This green line, it has respected, XRP price has respected that so well. These Fibonacci's are great tools to look at, especially when going into price discovery. I will keep you guys updated along the way. But we are coming right there to a massive, massive move for XRP. If you guys don't follow me on X, follow me at official NDE. That's at official NDE. Let's get right into it. Here's one from Steph is Crypto. XRP is cooling up, and he's looking at the 4-day, the Heikin-Ashi candles. Pretty much the exact same pattern that I showed you here, but mine's on the weekly. His is on the 4-day. But yes, XRP is right there. We could even change it to the Heikin-Ashis, and you'll see a very, very similar chart here. And we are gearing up for a massive move. So we are right here at the apex. Right there at the apex. Same thing in his chart there. And look what he shows. This is what happened back in November. We had that massive straight line move that I was showing earlier. That's what I believe is going to happen again, all the way up to the $10 range. We're going to teleport right there. So I hope you guys are ready, buckled in for a massive major run. XRP Joker says, it was decided decades ago. XRP is literally the chosen one. The world of banking and payments will revolve around XRP settlement, whether you know about it or not. That's a fact. That's the truth. Tuck Rico says, so it begins, South Korea. And South Korea just had a presidential election. I don't know if you guys knew this, but they just elected a pro-crypto president. So this is very good for XRP in particular, as South Korea has their hands tied in with XRP big time. Here's something I reposted from 24 Hours Crypto. I said it perfectly well. If they won't listen, they weren't meant to receive the blessing. And that's a fact, guys. Here's what he said. I know I sound like a broken record, but one day it'll be a platinum. Trust me, $100 XRP will happen 100%. From the bottom of my heart, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Keep accumulating, keep your mouth shut, and, you know, imagine complaining about Amazon at $1.50 in 1997. It's $200 plus now after splits. Think about that, guys. In just 20 years, over $200, and that was after they split multiple times. XRP is the same play, but 10 times bigger. So if you guys don't understand how big this opportunity is, especially getting XRP at $2.20 right now, because you're never going to see these prices again. I mean, 50 cents, if you were in then, you know, congratulations, because now it's a lot harder to accumulate. But yeah, so guys, 220, that's gonna be a dream to get XRP at in the future. 24 Hours Crypto, you couldn't have said it better. And here's one from Fred Rispoli. He says 20 days later, no refile yet by the SEC and Ripple and District Court, and the June 16th deadline for the status update in the second court looms large. Expect a refile before Judge Torres to happen by then. If there is nothing pending before Torres, when the parties file the status report, the second circuit only has Torres' denial of the first request and will restart the briefing. So guys, hopefully that does not happen. Ugh, this thing is getting massive annoying with the SEC case, honestly. If a motion is pending before Torres at the time of the June 16th status report, the second circuit will likely push it out another 60 days. Yada, yada. Man. More importantly, what is the next step? The message by Torres was clear that both parties need to beg for forgiveness. Ripple will say whatever to get it done, but how much public groveling will the SEC willing to do? And how much groveling will be groveling, whatever that is, be authorized? We have 12 days to find out. So guys, this thing is just getting massive annoying, dragged out. We all know at the end of the day, XRP is not a security and won the case. And, you know, this is all just staged from the back. This is all planned event. It's all being staged. They know the right time to officially end the case, if I may say. So It may not make sense to us right now, and it's just boring. We're like, oh man, just end the case already. What the heck? But behind closed doors, the 1% are controlling this whole shenanigan, this whole charade. I mean, it's just a big old show in the background. So it's all smoke and noise at the end of the day. But once this case finally does end, things are really gonna pop off. I like this from Steve. He said, "It's like waiting for the kettle to boil while you're taking a break from watching the paint dry." He couldn't have said that better. Oh, it's so annoying. Anyways, that's just a little update on what's going on with the SEC and Ripple case. So just kind of waiting for that. And then from Tech Dev, we've got Time's Up. 4 years in the making. The altcoin spring has never been wound tighter. And guys, this goes for all altcoins, not just XRP. But I do believe the altcoins are about to go crazy. You can see how tight these bands are, and it's been going on, I mean, for a year, over a year, how tight these are. So we are way overdue for a massive run, just like this, a massive run for altcoins. Hopefully we see that happen very, 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 very soon here. That's all I got for you today. I appreciate every single one of you guys tuning in, liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Till next time.
Three things to say. God bless our troops. God bless America. And gentlemen, start your engine!